Hello friends, so I'm back with another video on latest Gulf jobs today, and you will get job for all the Gulf countries: Kuwait, Qatar, Oman, Saudi, Bahrain, UAE, Israel, and there are many free recruitments as well. I have added all free recruitments in the beginning of video, so please don't skip, watch complete video so that you should not miss any opportunity. So let's start. The first free recruitment is for Saudi Arabia, and the positions are electrical technician, senior electrical technician, electrical foreman, and electrical engineer. Candidates should have experience in transformers. It's a long term project. You can see the mobile number and email ID. So, friends, if you wish to apply for any of these positions, then please send your CV along with the supportive documents on the given email ID. Next free recruitment is for UAE for a leading shipyard construction company. The positions are piping fabricators. Salary is going to be 2,700 AED. ITI or equivalent qualification with experience in construction field related to shipbuilding, should be familiar with 3D pool drawing other than isometric drawings. Electricians, salary is going to be 2,200. ITI or equivalent qualification with experience, shipyard, DP2, vessel and termination, etc. Shipyard lead mechanics, AD 6,000 will be the salary. ITI or equivalent qualification with commissioning experience in offshore vessel, main engine, pumps, hydraulic systems, etc. Shipyard lead electricians, salary will be 5,000 AD. ITI or equivalent qualification with experience, shipyard, DP2 vessel, termination, etc. This position is equivalent to foreman. The next position is commissioning engineers, degree diploma engineer with commissioning experience in shipyard industry. Attractive salary with food and accommodation will be provided by company. So friends, offices for these postings are Mumbai, Chennai, Kochi and Baroda. You can see WhatsApp numbers, email ID for all four locations. So you can choose any of your nearest location and apply immediately. So this was the free recruitment for UAE for a shipyard company. Next is for Kuwait, and this is also free recruitment. Vacancies are in large numbers. CV selection, so you can send your CV along with required documents and the joining will be immediately. The positions are analyzer technician, rigger or lead rigger, instrument technician, pipe fitter, QAQC technician, wall technician or wall tracker. So friends, attractive salaries, food, accommodation, transportation, everything will be provided by company. You can see the Chennai office address, contact number, and if you wish to apply for any of this position, then email ID is chennai2@asiapower.co. You can take a screenshot if needed so that you can have the detail handy. This is for Abu Dhabi, for an international company for their oil and gas industry. It's a free recruitment. The position is GRE engineer, basic knowledge of GRE piping systems, types and installation procedures, supervise GRE piping installation and maintenance works, good communication skills, should handle English and Hindi, plan for site maintenance activities, manage site crew, allocated resources for each work as per requirement. Experience in GRE piping maintenance project is an added advantage. All candidates should have Gulf experience in oil and gas industry, preferably in offshore. Attractive salary with free food and accommodation will be provided by company. Sorry. So the offices for these postings are Mumbai, Kochi and Chennai. So the email IDs are clearly mentioned along with WhatsApp numbers and multiple mobile numbers as well. Next free recruitment is for Abu Dhabi. This is also for an oil and gas industry. The position is E&I project engineer, BTech, BE electrical engineering, 7 to 10 years of experience in the relevant field, out of which 6 plus years in UAE and NOC offshore preferably. Oil field experience is mandatory. All candidates should have Gulf experience in oil and gas industry. Attractive salary with free food and accommodation will be provided by company. The offices for these postings are Mumbai, Chennai and Kochi. See the contact details below. So friends, it's easy to ping them on WhatsApp. You can send your documents, CV, and clearly mention for which position you are applying for. And for a safer side, you can send them an email as well, so that it should not be missed out. Next is for Qatar. This is also free recruitment for a leading oil and gas construction company, and this is an urgent requirement for shutdown project. So virtual interviews shortly. The positions are millwright technician, mechanical technician, rotating. Shortlisting is in progress. So the offices for these postings are Mumbai, Baroda, Chennai, and same, the details are mentioned for all three locations. WhatsApp numbers, email IDs. Next free recruitment is for UAE for a leading engineering service company. Urgent requirement, it's a long-term project. Interview will be virtual. The positions are valve technician, BPO, XMAS, pre-valves, machinist, HBM, VMC, VTL operator. So must have more than 3 years of experience in plant workshop. Attractive salary plus accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. The offices for these postings are Delhi, Mumbai, Baroda, Kochi and Chennai. So this was also free recruitment for UAE. The next recruitment is for Saudi, and this is also free recruitment. Shortlisting will start from 18th to 20th of October. Final client interview at Jaipur on 21st and 22nd of October. So the positions are finishing supervisor, minimum diploma in civil engineering, experience in epoxy paint and anti-carbonation paint tile or marbles, liquid waterproofing, block work or plaster, door installation, aluminum window, must know gypsum work and sealant work. Foreman, marble and stone mason, floors and walls, sealant foreman, painting foreman and finishing foreman. So minimum diploma in similar field and can read, write drawings for all foreman categories. Must have Gulf experience in finishing work. Attractive salary and other benefits will be provided by company. So if you wish to apply for any of this position, then you need to send your documents on hr11@asmax.net. You can see the WhatsApp number on left hand side. So friends, that was the only free recruitments today. Now these are some recruitments, attractive jobs. This is for NBTC Kuwait for their oil and gas project. The position is senior rigging supervisors. Number of openings are 10. Degree, diploma, engineering or graduate with minimum 8 plus years of experience in petrochemical plant, refinery, oil and gas sector. Shortlisting is in progress. The offices for these postings are Mumbai, Chennai and Kochi. Next is for Saudi. The position is QC NDT specialist level 3. At least 7 years of experience in inspection. Certified by Saudi Aramco through written and practical tests. NDT level 3 certification of ASNT. So friends, if you want to apply for this position, then you can send your updated CV on the below email ID. Next is for Kuwait. Client interview will be on 24th of October at Delhi. Supply chain management, the positions are senior team leader, supply chain analyst, proven experience in logistics supply chain management, quality assurance inspector, strong knowledge of furniture products and assembly techniques, good English communication skills, bachelor degree, Gulf experience is mandatory. So friends, you can see contact details below. This is for Turkey. The positions are engineering supervisor, 8 plus years of experience in metal plant manufacturing processes, machining supervisor, 8 plus years of experience in manufacturing aluminum structural parts, preferably in aerospace industry, robotic process engineer, 5 years of experience in sheet metal manufacturing and robotic welding laser cutting technologies, assembly supervisor, 5 years of experience in mechanical and electromechanical assembly, preferably in space or optical technologies. So friends, below are the contact details for your reference. This posting is for Kuwait. Face-to-face interview on 24th of October in Delhi. Requirements are SCM analyst, team leader, QA inspector. Below are the contact details. Next is for Turkey again. Engineering supervisor, 8 plus years of experience in metal part manufacturing processes. Machining supervisor. Candidates must have good communication skills. These are the details. This posting is for Saudi and Oman. The positions are scaffolding inspector, scaffolding supervisor, insulation supervisor and painting supervisor. 8 hours duty, 6 days a week work. Below are the contact details for your reference. So friends, please share this video with your friends, those who are looking for job in Gulf, so that they can have ready references for all these postings. And you can subscribe if you are new on this channel. Next is for Oman, for a leading oil and gas contracting field services. Urgent requirement, client interview soon. The positions are pipe fitters, 50 openings, spray painters, 10 openings, riggers, 30 openings, grinders, 50 openings, dolly mix welders, 20 openings, TIG and arc welders, 20 openings. Shortlisting in progress. The offices for these postings are Mumbai, Baroda and Vizag. So you can choose any of your nearest location and apply immediately. So friends, whenever you apply for any position, make sure you have attached all the required documents along with your email, updated CV, educational experience certificates and passport. So friends, this posting is for Israel for a railway construction project. Shortlisting in progress. Gulf experience is required. Friends, you might be aware of Israel's current situation. The war is going on there. So better you avoid traveling to Israel. But anyways, those who are willing to go, in spite of knowing that there is a war situation, I will read out the position. The positions are chainman, mason, concrete truck, team leader, track worker, helper, carpenter, steel fixer, welder, arc welding, molder, finishing grinder, concreting supervisor, TRK surveyor, logistics supervisor, forklift operator, logistic assistant, project support and helper. Excellent salary plus perks. You can see the address of Chennai office The email ID for this posting is chennai3@asiapower.co, and the contact number is also mentioned. So friends, please think twice before you travel to Israel in the current situation. Next is for Saudi. It's an urgent requirement for a leading building maintenance project. Gulf experience is required. The positions are wall painter, AC technician, electrician, plumber, gypsum carpenter, multi-craft technician, multi-craft foreman with Aramco experience, building supervisor, admin clerk, and receptionist. Candidates must be suitably qualified with 5 to 10 years of experience in refinery, oil and gas, and petrochemicals. Attractive salaries, and below is the address. This posting is by Asia Power Mumbai. So in case of any queries, you can contact them. This is for Saudi. We have already read out this. This is for Saudi. It's a long-term project. Shortlisting is in progress. Positions are project manager E&I, site engineering manager E&I, project control manager electrical, procurement manager electrical, senior design engineer E&I, estimation engineer or manager, BTech E&I or mechanical, experience in oil and gas and petrochemical, EPC, LTKS, turnkey projects, estimation. Next position is HR officer. Good knowledge about Saudi HRM and experience in the Saudi market, preferably MBA in HR, good in English, computers, with an outgoing and leadership personality. Recruitment executive, good knowledge and experience in talent acquisition, preferably MBA in HR, good in English, computers, with an outgoing personality. All candidates must have 8 plus years of experience in oil and gas, and Gulf experience is mandatory. So friends, you can see WhatsApp number and email ID. So the email ID for this posting is ani@indiapersonal.com. So this posting is for Saudi for a long-term project. Next is for UAE. This is also for a long-term project. The interview will be online. Position is purchase and logistics engineer, EPC company in oil and gas sector. Oversee the procurement process by soliciting quotes from the local and overseas suppliers, preparing price comparisons for management approval, and issuing purchase orders. Coordinate with the accounts department to ensure timely payments and arrange shipments efficiently to guarantee on-time delivery at the best possible cost. Minimum 3 years of experience in India or Gulf will be preferred. Below are the contact details. The email ID for this posting is mechanical@indiapersonal.com. You can see the WhatsApp number. Next is for Oman. This is also a long-term job. This is for a leading construction company. The positions are planning engineer, site engineer, QA/QC inspectors, quantity surveyors, civil foreman, land surveyor, civil draftsman, and civil designer. For all these positions, degree or diploma in civil engineering is required. Sewer and wastewater projects experience is mandatory for all these positions. Minimum 6 years of experience in India and Gulf experience is mandatory. So email ID for this posting is civil@indiapersonal.com. Next is for Qatar, for a leading MNC company, and this is a long-term job. The position is piping manager. Candidates must have oil and gas experience, minimum 8 plus years of experience. Gulf experience is mandatory. So email ID for this posting is hemaip@indiapersonal.com, and the WhatsApp number is also there. Friends, please don't forget to like the video, and you can share your feedback in the comments. This is for UAE, for oil and gas construction project. The positions are TIG and arc welders, CS and SS, pipe fitters, pipe fabricators, piping foreman, welding foreman, and scaffolders. Vacancies are in large number. Candidates with ITI in relevant discipline having minimum 5 years of experience in oil and gas and construction project. Walk-in client interview at Vadodara on 22nd of October. The email ID for this posting is sin17@sinclair.com. So friends, whenever you apply for any position, make sure you have mentioned the job title in your subject line. It is easy for recruiters to shortlist and arrange the CVs. This is for a leading pest control company in Oman. The position is pest control technicians, preferably with Oman experience. Attractive salary plus other benefits will be provided by company. The email ID for this posting is resume1@sigilindia.net. Next posting is for Sharjah, UAE. It's a long-term job for a steel construction company. Client interview shortly. Immediate departure requirement are in large number. The positions are structural steel fabricators, tack welders 3G, 4G, MIG welders 6G, steel erectors, sandblasters or painters. Free food, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. Mumbai, Surat, Vizag and Gorakhpur will be the location. Next posting is for Bahrain. Urgently required for a leading seaport company for their seaport division. Shortlisting is in progress. The positions are crane operator training instructor, forklift operator training instructor, ship crane training instructor, and operator training instructor. So friends, you can see the job description. Conduct lifting courses including forklift operator, mobile crane operator, lifting loft controller, lifting supervisor, lifting appointed person, and other associated lifting training to an international standard. Conduct HSC and lifting courses in the field as per requirement. Participate in developing training material to meet training needs when required. Update all training records, assessments and attendance in the system as mandated by accrediting bodies and by policies and procedures. Qualification, you can see attractive salary, free food, accommodation, transportation, everything will be provided by company. And this posting is also by Asia Power Mumbai. Next is for Saudi. It's a free recruitment for one of the largest cement company for their long-term project. Shortlisting in progress. Client interviews will be on 20th of October in Mumbai. The positions are loader operator, dumper operator, excavator operator, and bulldozer operator. Kindly note, Gulf experience is mandatory with Gulf license. Experience in digitalized equipment will be preferred. Attractive salary, free food, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. This posting is also by Asia Power Mumbai. Next is for Saudi, for a leading oil and gas company. Shortlisting is in progress. Candidate must be suitably qualified with 5 to 10 years of Gulf experience in refinery, oil and gas and petrochemicals. So the positions are coating crew inspector, RTR QC, civil inspector, planner, rigger level 1, crane operator. All this should be Aramco approved. Attractive salary, free food, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. And this posting as well by Asia Power Mumbai. This is by Asia Power Delhi. So it's a free recruitment. Okay, so interviews will be in Delhi on 23rd. This is the same posting. Interviews on 23rd in Delhi. It's a free recruitment. This is for Saudi, for a reputed steel company. Shortlisting from 18 to 20th of October, and then there will be a final interviews online. So the positions are plant manager, electro galvanizing, plant manager, hot dip, electrical maintenance technician, QC inspector, galvanizing chemist and electroplating technician. So friends, you can see the detailed requirements, can take a screenshot if needed. For first two position 10 to 15 years of experience is required. For third position 6 to 8, then 4 to 6, then 4 to 6, and last 3 years of experience. Attractive salary, other benefits will be provided by company. If you wish to apply for any of this position, then hr4@asmax.net is the email ID. This is also for Saudi. Shortlisting is in progress and final interview shortly. Electrical and instrument engineer, operation and maintenance. Engineering degree in electrical instrumentation, should have 4 to 5 years of relevant experience in oil and gas refinery projects. Attractive salary and other benefits will be provided by company. hr4@asmax.net is the email ID for this posting, and you can see the WhatsApp number on the screen. Next is for Saudi again. Shortlisting from 18th until 22nd of October, and then there will be a final online interviews. The positions are QC electrical inspector, QC and I inspector, QC instrumentation inspector, and QC telecommunication inspector. Attractive salary, free food and accommodation will be provided by company. hr4@asmax.net is the email ID. You can see the contact numbers. So friends, if needed, you can take a screenshot of these detailed requirements. Next is for Saudi again. Shortlisting from 18 until 22nd of October, and then final online interviews. Positions are QC coating inspector, QC welding inspector, HSC manager and safety officer. Attractive salary, food, accommodation will be provided by company. Email ID and contact details are remain same for this posting as well. So friends, if you are new on this channel, then please don't forget to subscribe, because I'm posting latest and free girl jobs on a daily basis, and you can share this with your friends as well so that they can get benefit of it. This is for UAE rotation job 90/21. ADNOC offshore experience is must. Position is safety officer. BE diploma in mechanical, electrical, etc. plus NIBOSH plus 8+ years of experience, including 5 years in Gulf oil and gas experience. Preference if ADNOC approved. So jobs@brightinternational.in is the email ID for this posting, and you can see the contact numbers as well. Friend, this is long-term job for Middle East, large vacancies, final client interviews on 19th of October in Mumbai. All candidates should have 3+ years of Gulf experience in oil and gas. So friends, Positions for Oman are planning engineer, mechanical, industrial, hygienist, quality assurance engineer, land surveyor, QC inspector, welding, civil, painting, mechanical, piping and instrument, foreman, mechanical, piping and welding, quantity surveyor, mechanical, environmental engineer, welding engineer and draftsman, AutoCAD. Friends, for Saudi, the positions are planning engineers or managers, QC inspector, welding, civil, painting, mechanical, piping, instrument, electrical, QC engineers in the similar field, QC supervisors, again same, welding, civil, painting, mechanical, piping, instrument, HSC officers, HR officers, estimation engineer or managers and recruitment executives. The positions for Qatar are 6G TIG arc welders, senior superintendent piping, foreman, millwright, inspector QAQC, coordinator, timekeeper, equipment controller, mess supervisor or steward, storekeeper, salad maker, cook, officer, admin, foreman mechanical, plant foreman, foreman electrical, airless spray painter, superintendent piping, lead QAQC, transport coordinator, ID coordinator, catering supervisor, camp boss, AC technician, assistant cook, mechanical supervisor, welfare officer, cleaning supervisor, food safety officer, kitchen technician, butcher, chapati maker and rigging supervisor, plant foreman and foreman as well. There are some openings for UAE as well. The positions for UAE are manager HSE, civil foreman, civil supervisor, piping supervisor, planning engineer, senior planning engineer, structural foreman, officer procurement, officer road safety, land surveyor, lead engineer, data entry clerk, QC engineer civil, technical clerk, senior engineer contracts, engineer cost control, civil supervisor, civil foreman, piping foreman, QC inspector, rigging foreman, environmental officer and welding engineer. At the last, positions for Kuwait are rigging supervisors, rotating equipment supervisors, 6G, TIG and arc welders and pipe fabricators. So friends, you can see multiple mobile numbers are mentioned in the posting. The email for this posting is mechanical@indiapersonnel.com. So friends, if needed, you can take a screenshot because there are bulk openings for Kuwait, UAE, Qatar and Saudi and Oman. Friends, if you need any help on any posting or if you have queries, you can comment and I will definitely reply because I am replying to each comment on a daily basis. And you can join my WhatsApp group as well. The link of WhatsApp group is given in the description. This is long-term job online interview. The position is HSE engineer, safety officer, and there are some openings for Qatar as well, estimation engineers, and the another is also estimation engineer with 10-year experience and another is with 5 years of experience. Also the requirements are little change, so you can read it carefully before you apply. jobs@brightinternational.in is the email ID for this posting. So friends, I hope you found this video useful, and please subscribe if you are new on this channel so that you can get daily job information. Thank you for your patience and thank you for watching the complete video. Tomorrow I'll be back with latest video on assignment abroad times today newspaper. Thank you for watching.